If you are a lover of fish, gather here, let's do this together. I got this little fish or tiny fish. I just cleaned them up. They are really quite small, so here are they. This is what I usually do, especially my hubby does not like the smell of crayfish, so I usually use this to improvise for crayfish. You can see they were in the oven and they brought out a lot of water, so I just try to drain the water off. You can actually leave it, but just that it will take a longer time to dry out. So that was why you saw me draining the water off so that it can be dried easily. And I was just testing it, and here they are fully dried. Meanwhile, I sprinkled some salt in it before I started drying it. So now they are fully dried. What I just did was to select the bigger ones out, while the smaller ones, I just put them in the blender and blend very well and smooth. For me, I don't usually like fish because of the bone. I'm allergic to bones. So you can see how smooth it is. It's even looking like curry, right? That's because it's colored fish. So you can see I was already putting it in my stew. Believe me, if you try this out, you will thank me later. So I have a container that I usually use to store them. Look at it. Is it not nice? You can't get this from the market, so you can only do this by yourself. So make sure you get a container that has this opening or perforation, so that if you need little quantity, you use the smaller side. Thank you. Please share this video.